realized.
It was in the PM instead of
Yeah,
AM.
PM instead of the AM. He couldn't believe he had done it.
Wow.
So, well,
You
you
ready?
must have slept well.
Are you all ready?
Yeah.
We'll call this official meeting of the commissioners to order. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We have one item on our agenda, and that's approval of claims. I believe we received those in the mail.
Yeah, I'll make a motion. I've read the claims and I will make a motion to approve.
I'll second. We have a motion and a second to approve the special claim list. Any discussion? Being none, those in favor say aye. Aye. And those opposed? Claims passed. Are there any matters or any public comment? Can you step forward, please? Please state your name and residence, and we ask you to please limit your comments to 2 minutes.
My name is Hannah Anderson. I'm from Star City. I am here today because I'm angry. I represent the working families of Pulaski County who are tired of being treated like an ATM for government who've forgotten who they serve. We've currently shouldered the second highest income tax in the entire state of Indiana, a rate 6 times higher than some of our neighbors, yet while we pay the most, we have the least amount of community resources. According to your summary analysis of appropriations, you have appropriated $1,224 just for office supplies. This raises serious ethical concern. For the office of the county judge alone, you've allotted $25,500 for paper clips and staples, a number 7 times higher than any other county in the state. While I'm standing at a gas pump counting change just to get to work, you've allotted $195,000 for gas and vehicle maintenance for courthouse administration, not for the police, not for EMS, for administration. I would like to know exactly how many of your personal tanks I am filling with my tax dollars while we, the people, save lives in this community are told there isn't enough in the budget. While you sit on a reported $12 million surplus, much of which comes from the very solar farms this community didn't want, you tell our healthcare professionals that there's no money for them. Our frontline heroes, the people who keep us safe, are being exploited. Our EMS, nurses, and police are the backbone of this community, yet your records show that they are underpaid by an estimated $640,000 annually relative to regional averages. You are essentially asking our paramedics and nurses to take a poverty discount to work in Pulaski County while you prove hundreds of thousands of dollars for your own office supplies and expansion. How can we expect to retain quality healthcare and emergency services when our neighboring counties tax their citizens less and pay their frontline workers more? You are driving away the very people we need in our community because you'd rather spend money on a building and prioritizing administrative luxury than the people of this community. You've committed over $12 million to a courthouse renovation that has inflated from its original estimate of $5 to $7 million, and yet it's still not ADA compliant. We are home to broad ability. We should be leading in accessibility, not lagging behind with such a legacy. Even more shameful is the $2,060,000 opioid abatement fund. That money was meant for addiction treatment and to support the healthcare workers on the front lines of the drug crisis. Instead, you've assigned 100% of it to administration. You are choosing to fund your very own bureaucracy over the survival of our neighbors and the support of our medical professionals. All while you prioritize your offices and have the finest paper clips in the state, you have abandoned our children. Vital programs like Warrior Up, which provide safety and academic help, receive 0 county funding or support. The generous people running that program are spending their own dollars to keep the program going while you spent over $124,000 alone on office supplies just this fiscal year. Because of your neglect, our children gather unsupervised at parks and at the bridge, exposed to risks that these programs were meant to prevent. I am here to formally call for immediate funding for Warrior Up, as well as a comprehensive financial audit conducted by the state. I have already submitted my concerns and other supporting documents to the Indiana State Board of Accounts. We deserve to know how $100,000 can be spent on permanent storage just this year while our frontline workers are told that there's not enough. Thank you.
Hannah, can you provide that to us in written form? What you just said, you said a lot. Can you provide it?
I actually have 2 forms of it. This was just a condensed 3-minute version of my 7 pages that I would like to provide for you guys. Yes, I have that in my car. I didn't bring it in with me because I wasn't sure what I was allowed to have.
I would appreciate a copy of everything you just said.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. Thank you for coming.
Motion to adjourn.
I make a motion to adjourn.
I'll second.
Motion and second. Any further discussion? Being none, those in favor of adjourning, say aye. Aye. Those opposed. Meeting is adjourned. We'll be going into executive session.